Hey folks, Dan the Produce Man here. Broccoli. Did you know that's how a chicken says broccoli? Well, now you know. Yes, we've got it in all kinds of forms here. We've got broccolini, we've got broccoli bunched right over here, and we have broccoli crowns, which is the most popular in all the stores. And really what you're looking for is nice, compact, firm bud clusters on the top. That's what you want. And nice, fresh-looking stalks here. No brown, no gray, nothing wilted or yellow. Just nice, firm, good color. Purple is okay. That's just caused by weather. And dark green, either one. Firm, compact, fresh-looking broccoli. That's the way to get it. Hey, folks, I'm Dan the Produce Man reminding you that it's always best when you get it fresh.